Hello, my name's Matt, the Disillusion 1811, and I'm out here with my dog Gracie Girl on June 15th in a snowstorm. We are exploring the White River drainage in the Mount Hood National Forest. And today's mission is we're gonna recon this section. This is a lot of glacial silt boulders from a glacier a long time ago. And we cross-country ski out here a lot. It's all covered in snow. Link here if you're interested. And we're gonna recon this section now. It's completely exposed, no shade. And right now it'd be great to go exploring with my dog because it's 37 degrees wet. I wouldn't want to be out here when it's hot in summer. And we're gonna try to find a ski hut that I located on Google Earth. It's about a 5.5 mile hike through no trail. And we're gonna see if we can find this ski hut. And if this ski hut exists, we may be using it next winter for more adventures. Looks like somebody's sleeping pad. And this is straight up exploration. I'm sure no humans have been back here in a long time. And so it's getting slow now. I'm gotten away from the river just because the brush had gotten so thick. So we're gonna start working our way back towards the river because I know the ski hut is supposed to be located right next to the river. The question will be, how thick is this going to get? Pretty thick. According to the Forest Service, there's a quote, a trail called the White River Trail, which isn't a trail, and I haven't seen anything back here that even is closely resembling a trail. Back to the river. I'm gonna name this Deadfall Alley, and you know, if the snow's high enough, this might actually be approachable route through this section right here. So the question will be, will the snow be high enough? I get a lot of snow out here. But this is hard going on foot. Things have gotten really tough out here. A lot of deadfall, a lot of brush, and we're only about halfway to the location. It's getting really slow. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna readjust the mission. We're gonna go back to the truck and we're gonna try to approach this from the south. There appears to be some type of road. I don't know if the road is even drivable, but I know if there's a road, we can hike it in. So we're gonna go back to the Eventual and then re-engage on the target from a different angle. Got it? My pants are completely soaked from going in and out of this brush. That blue diamond is the first sign of human activity back here, other than that sleeping pad I found in the brush. And that's a blue diamond is a sign for cross-country ski trail. And yeah, the blue diamond's lost, but we just came back to the White River right here. And conditions haven't gotten better. Instead of snow, we just got a lot of rain now. Check out these boulders. They're wedged on these trees. Look at that one, it's just sitting right there. Look at that one sitting right there. You can only imagine the power of the water as it raged through here to lift those rocks, set them up on top of those trees. It's pretty cool. Right. Good girl. Snow and wind has returned. Woo! Ha ha ha! There's nobody out here. That's why we're out here. Let's go hike. All right, so it's a good thing we turned around when we did. Conditions have gotten really bad out here. So we're gonna feed Gracie. We're gonna put on some dry clothes and we're gonna see if we can get this ski hut via the Eventual and stay warm and dry for now. Sit, good girl. Wait. This is as far as we're going to get using the truck, so we're going to head this direction. And there's a big tree and it looks all overgrown anyway, so we're going to have to go in on foot. Look at this. A little bit of remnants of whatever sign was there. Looks like trail something, 1.5. So there was little remnants of a blue diamond representing a ski trail, and it is really cold out here right now. Still cold. I'm glad it's not raining though. Hike, hike. Gosh. I mean, when's the last time any human came through here as a bunch of deadfall? Let's go, Grace. Let's go, bud. Come on. Come on. Oh. Got it, bud. Can't get through there. Let's go. Hike, hike. Hike, hike. Oh. Man, I gotta really want to get to this hut to see if it exists. There's been so many obstacles. Grace, you get through that? So as we can see, the White River ski hut does exist, and it's locked up, and it's probably hasn't been used for several years, which is unfortunate, and you probably can't use it. As you can tell, nobody's come up here with this road. I mean, there's so many trees down. It hasn't been maintained for quite a while. So the bridge in the back there is in disrepair, which was kind of fun to cross, and the forest back there is really unique, and it would be an awesome place to ski. And it's a little bit off the path, a little bit longer to do in one day. So if you had a hut to ski to, you could spend the night there and stay warm, but that is not going to happen. Hey guys, we made it back to the adventure mobile, so we're about ready to plug back into the Matrix ourselves. So thanks a lot for enjoying this adventure with us, and don't forget to get out there and escape the Matrix yourself.